Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your ShopPay account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open ShopPay on your phone. Then what you need to do is click on your profile, which is in the top right hand side, and go to settings. After you go to settings, you can see the sign out over here. So after you click sign out, you will be successfully signed out of your account. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, what you need to do is find ShopPay on your phone. Tap on ShopPay and you will be headed to the default screen. Now you can see your profile on the top right hand side of your screen right beside the notification symbol. Go ahead and tap on it. And what you need to do is scroll a bit down and find settings. Go ahead and tap on settings. You can see the sign out option on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see it will ask for your confirmation that you'll have to enter your email to access your delivery information again. So if you remember your email and it is logged in on your PC or your phone, because you need to write down the 6-digit code the next time you log in. So let's go ahead and click on sign out, click sign out again, and there you go. This is how easy it is to sign out of your ShopPay account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.